I will play to you a little nice overview of a GoHighLevel app where I'm gonna give you an insight into this one app that you can use for contacts management, email marketing, automations, planning your social media content and even automatically posting it. In this app you can also create opt-in pages through which you build an email list of yours, and you can individually add new contacts that you want to manage and get them to become your members or your one-on-one high-ticket clients. Basically, this app allows you to manage all of your pipeline, your contacts in one place. It allows you also to manage your existing customers and write the notes down for them and see who are your customers and all of this kind of thing. I started using this app when I came across the challenge of not being able to have it all in one place and have complete control over my contacts, over my systems. And now I use GoHighLevel and I am able to manage all of my contacts in one place and have the automations. I'm able to send email sequences out to certain contacts and all of these kind of things. Let me give you an overview into the app, and if you would like to use this same app for your own business, I have created a template snapshot of all the automations and I have it all ready for you so you can launch your membership. Simply comment down below snapshot and I can discuss with you how you can import this into your own GoHighLevel account. I can even give you a GoHighLevel account as part of my membership and working with me. Just message me, comment down below snapshot, and we're gonna then chat and we're gonna discuss how you can build this sales system that's gonna help you to grow your membership. I use GoHighLevel software now, and when I build my waitlist, when I get people to opt in, they all land in this CRM software and they are tagged correctly, and the automated email sequences are fired out to these people, and basically I'm able to have an automated system now through which I can control my contacts in there, and I always know what's next for that certain contact, what are they interested in, and so on. Let me give you a visual example of what I'm talking about. For example, when people opt in that they would be interested in knowing more about the community that you or I am launching or so, right? Then they land in my CRM software and I can see all of the contacts here. I needed to blur them out because these are the real contacts of my system, right? But I can see that they are tagged here on the right as well. And then I can open each person, for example, individually. I can email just this one person, or I can even write notes here and I can say, for example, I just talked to her and she said that she is interested in joining the membership but needs to talk to her husband or so, for example, right? I can make those kind of individual notes in the software, and also, right, I can be tagging people and selecting which tag, right, they go under, and I can also manage opportunities. For example, I can go here under opportunities and I can have this kind of mini pipeline here, and I can go, for example, here under membership and I can see who are the people that I'm talking with that are interested in my membership, right? Because often myself, I even go on calls with people because I want to see, are they interested in my membership or are they interested in one-on-one coaching with me as well, right? So for example, with that person who I just mentioned before, right? We could know that yes, the offer was presented to her, and I will follow up, for example, with her in the next 1 or 2 days, and I am gonna want to see if she's gonna close as a regular member or as a one-on-one high-ticket client, right? So this is how I manage my leads and my contacts, and also here I have all of my customers in this same system as well. I exactly know who is in my mini membership, who is on my 9.7 per month membership, and in other things that I also run. So it allows me, for example, to take notes for each of these people. It allows me also to know who are my customers, who I need to take care of. I often even follow up after my own customers if they don't come to weekly coaching calls or so. I just want to have control over that as well, and I can make customer notes in this software as well. Now, another thing that this software allows me to do, or any kind of email marketing software allows you to do these similar things, right? But the GoHighLevel that I use now, it just allows me to have it all in one place. And for example, what it also does, right? If someone opts in here to my waitlist, right? There is an automation that I have put in place. So I said to this software, hey, if someone just opted in, add them the tag them a waitlist person, send them the waitlist confirmation email, right? Welcome them in, and then fire up another workflow, another email sequence toward them. It's an 8-step email sequence that I'm gonna talk about next, and this email sequence then sells them the membership. It gets them in automatically into our program. Why I'm bringing all of these things up is because imagine that you launch your membership program right now and you get to 50, 60, 70 members, right? You're gonna need to have a strong system that supports this growth, and you can have control over those members. For example, you can even connect Skool app where you're gonna run your community with this software via Zapier, right? And it communicates to this software, hey, this person just signed up as a member, switch it there in the software, switch them to a member now, right? And take them off of them just being a lead, right? That's all more technical, right? But what I'm saying to you is that using this kind of automated software and system allows you to grow bigger and have more control over all of your things, and they don't fall apart, right? Right now I'm looking for a few clients, test clients, who I'm gonna apply my model to. I'm gonna help you launch your membership program, and we're gonna build the behind of scenes system and automations and these kind of things, right? And if you would like to have someone to work with you and guide you, make sure to message me and we can discuss how we can put this system through which you can launch your membership in place for you. I'm looking for a test client that we can get you to become one of my awesome case studies. If you are interested, simply message me and we can discuss how we can work together on your project.